Everybody loves to hear that they've performed a job well done, and we're no exception. Our goal is to give every customer 5-star service, and it usually results in our customers sharing their experience with the world. Take a look at what one of our customers said about us. We do our best to get customer feedback. Though we never ask for feedback, we always appreciate hearing from customers as we strive to constantly improve our services by listening, focusing, and caring for every single one of our customers. But don't take their word for it. We're confident that you'll love the value and attention to detail that our team delivers. It's great you had a chance to take a look at us. Thanks, and we'll see you soon.